The heart has to be cleaned. The root has to be fixed. The symptoms and the root branches of the problem could be so many, but the root is the leakage of the dhikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Nahmadu wa nusalli ala rasulil kareem. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammadin kama tuhibbu wa tardala. Alhamdulillah, all thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who gave us this ability to gather again for our weekly program for the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the soul of the whole universe. The name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the light to remove all the darknesses. The name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the guidance, and that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned to excessively remember the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَاذْكُرِ اسْمَ رَبِّكَ وَتَبَتَّلْ إِلَيْهِ تَبْتِيلًا. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned in one of the hadiths that till the time there is one person saying Allah, Allah on the whole face of universe, the day of resurrection will not occur. The word will not finish. The sun will keep shining. The moon will keep coming. The crops, the harvest, the human beings, the births, the death, all the life, the whole system will keep running till there is one person saying on the face of the earth, saying this blessed name Allah. So it is not just a name. Allah has so many names. وَلِلَّهِ الْأَسْمَاءُ الْحُسْنَى, the names of qualities of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah has infinite qualities, and all the knowledge, the beauty, the wisdom belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the power, the might. But the personal name of our Creator is only one, Allah. From Adam alayhi salam, Allah. Then Nuh alayhi salam came, he called towards the same Allah. Ibrahim alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, Isa alayhi salam, calling towards the same Creator Allah. And Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam also calling towards the same Creator Allah. So that's why the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has to be excessive, because the distractions from Shaitan, from devil, and our evil desires are so many, specifically in these days, in this time. There are so many distractions, from the name, to distract a person from the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So even the people of Jannah people of paradise will be missing those moments where they did not remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this, we have to get rid of all these distractions and the negative attractions. We have to remember this. Our short time in this life is very, very precious. We have to make it valuable with the name of Allah, and this name will take you to the named, to the one who has this name Allah. And the dhikr of Allah has to be excessive. And that's why, because people have different qualities. Someone is brave, someone is coward, someone is very generous, someone is miser. Someone might be having good qualities to express, and someone cannot express. The people are introvert, they are extrovert, different mentalities, different likings, So some few things some people can do more, but the others cannot do. And similarly, the same person, he is good at one thing, he might not be very good at other thing. So that's why the most precious commodity of this life, the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah kept it very simple, very simple. Any human being can do that, is the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Like in one of the hadiths of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he mentioned that should I not tell you about the action that is most beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? That's the most high in rank in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's more than you spend gold and silver in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's more than you fight in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and even you lose your life, or you lose your life. More than that, Should I not tell you about that? So the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu earnestly they asked, yes Rasulullah sallallahu tell us about that action. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, this is the Zikr of Allah, this is the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's very, very easy. And for the people who make excuses, there is no excuse of skipping or missing the Zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, especially this Zikr of heart, the Zikr of the remembrance of the heart. The heart has to be connected with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all the time. And this channel is all about. We focus on the root cause of all the good and the root cause of fixing all the evil. You see, the heart has to be cleaned, the root has to be fixed. The symptoms and the root branches of the problem could be so many, but the root is the leakage of the Zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this Zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is fixed to all the spiritual diseases that a person might have. The Zikr of Allah, this is the Noor, the light which removes all the darknesses and all the filth. This is the cleaning for all the dirt that a person gets inside. Like everything has something to clean. Like clothes are cleansed with the detergent, even the clothes that got dirty, you can clean that. So the soul, when it gets dirty, the cleanliness comes with the remembrance and the name, the blessed and honored name of our Creator, Allah. So for this, we will be focusing on our heart for a few minutes. So the encouragement is that every moment we should spend slowly. Even a person is doing business and job and other things, his heart is with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So the method is very simple, to focus on our heart. The heart saying Allah, 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 and I'm listening to that. Allahumma salli ala. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد كما تحب وترضى. يا ربي لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك عظيم سلطانك. يا ربي صل وسلم دائما ابدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. اللهم أعنا على ذكرك شكرك وحسن عبادتك. ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا ذرياتنا قرة أعين واجعلنا للمتقين إماما. Oh Allah, make it easy for us to remember you sitting, standing, lying down. Oh Allah, make it easy for us to remember you every moment of our life. Oh Allah, help us not to waste these precious moments of life. Oh Allah, make us from those who remember you sitting, standing, lying down, and they remember you all the time. Oh Allah, whoever joins the Zikr, these gatherings, oh Allah, in the space and time, whoever, wherever, whichever corner of this word, whoever joins, oh Allah, you are the one who gives benefit. Remove all the darknesses from our heart, oh Allah. And also today, years from now, whoever joins the program, oh Allah, give them benefit. Remove all the darknesses from their heart. Make us from those who have illuminated hearts, who turn to you, who are connected with you, and who are connected with your Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammadin kama tuhibbu wa tarda. Allahumma inna nas'aluka min khayri ma sa'alaka minhu nabiyyuka sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam, wa na'udhu bika min sharri ma sta'adaka minhu nabiyyuka sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam.